Have you ever felt like life has just stopped? Not in a dramatic way, but in that quiet, uncertain way where everyone else around you is moving and you are just standing still. People are rushing for new jobs, celebrating new milestones, planning new trips, and you are just there, stuck. If you have been feeling this lately, this reflection is for you. Sometimes it's not silence, it's not a failure, it's just a pause. Uh, it's like everyone else is going somewhere, everyone else around you is giving you good news, or maybe some achievements they have made, but you just feel that you are moving nowhere. You are just there where you were yesterday or maybe a couple of months back, and it feels very overwhelming at times, and that is definitely a very normal feeling, and I have been there too many times. uh, it has been maybe a couple of years, if I'm honest, that I have felt that everyone around me, all my friends are doing something or the other, something new. They are achieving a lot of things, and maybe I'm not being good enough, uh, and it feels lonely at times, and it's no one's fault. Obviously, I am very proud and happy for all my friends and acquaintances around me, what they are achieving. I do celebrate with them, don't get me wrong there, but it's just an inner feeling where you wake up every day, you go through all the tasks through the day, but inside you feel very suspended, like everything is just there and your head and mind is not completely in it. That is the feeling I'm talking about today, and it is okay to feel that way. I know I have been there too, and it you go on a guilt trip and which lasts for maybe a few hours or few days, and you keep beating yourself up for it, and it honestly doesn't help much. It just wastes your own time in overthinking the situations. I guess it is better for us to reflect on the feeling which we are having right now, and try and bring your senses back, that it's only you who can help yourself. I know I keep repeating about this, but trust me, it is true. Like, I'll again say that, just like my last video, that people will give you advices, they'll keep suggesting things and remedies based on their own experiences, but only you will understand yourself better, and you will know what will work for you. So if I give you an example, I have been thinking of going to the gym or working out, or just to stay fit, right? So I have been thinking this. I did join the gym once, and I, like a very good girl, went to the gym for a month, and then I went back home for a visit, to meet my family. And when I came back to my place, I just didn't go back to the gym again, because there was a pause in my routine, and I never went back. Even today, I am not going to the gym. And that's when it feels like, okay, everyone else is doing it, everyone else is getting fit, and I am the one who is not. And that is something which feels very, you know, like I need to get there. And no, you don't need to get there. Yes, definitely, you should shorten your time of overthinking the situation, but you can give yourself that time to pause. It's just like your life is just taking a breath, and it is okay. Just think about it. Even nature takes a pause, right? When it's winter, the roots are actually working beneath, so that when the spring comes in, the bloom feels effortless. And similarly, maybe your life is in its winter, and somewhere when you are actually not doing anything, maybe inside your life is quietly rearranging and preparing yourself for the next best thing that is going to happen in your life. And you can take that pause. You should allow yourself to take that pause, so that when you get to that new beginning, it will, like, you will be able to embrace it and love it. Because just think of this as a pause, or a small interval in your life between two chapters, that ending of one chapter and the beginning of the other. And come on, every movie has an interval, right? And the web series, they have episodes, so we take breaks in between episodes, right? And your life, it has so many chapters, it has so much drama in it, and you just get from one chapter to the other, one episode to other, without giving a pause. And I think that is unfair. So just let your life take that breath, take that pause, so that when you are in your next chapter, you will be thrilled and you will be able to enjoy it to the fullest, and not just feel like exhausted or bragged, or not carrying your baggage or luggage that you have done or felt like in your last chapter. I hope I am able to make you understand what I am trying to say here. But what I'm saying is, just take that pause, take that quiet time out for yourself, and write it down that I'm okay. I'm okay in taking this pause, and I'm learning how to deal with it. So, and in this pause, it might happen that you are unlearning certain things which you thought that you have already learned in your previous or last chapter. And even there are certain feelings or experiences you are maybe healing from, which you thought that you have already healed from before, but you are actually not healed from it. So give yourself that time. And if you need, you can definitely talk to someone close to you who will understand this, and give yourself that space. uh, don't rush into taking some decision just because you think you need to move forward. It is not required, because trust me, just to feel that you are moving forward, if you take a decision and later on you regret, that will be really sad for your own self. So it's better to take that time out and think through it, and take that pause, and then come to the decision that you actually want to do, or go somewhere, or buy something. It can be anything. So it is okay if you feel that your life is paused, and it is okay to not rush into things. It is okay to take a break from your hard and fast life that everyone else is going through. So, talk to yourself, and let me know if I could help you in even a very small way, I will be glad. And if there are any other topics that you want to talk with me about, please don't hesitate to reach out to me over comments, DMs, and emails. I will be happy to help you and talk about it. And that's it for today. This is Medha Mitra, and here we talk about the conversations we don't have online. So, until then, unplug, unmask, and connect. Signing off. Thank you.